Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to study the importance of feedback. I hope you people might have read the chapter from the beginning. Now, in importance of feedback, we have to understand, students, that feedback is required to continue the process of active communication. To continue the process of active communication means without feedback the communication cannot be proceeded further. Means in case we are giving you any information or any communication we are doing, so if we are not getting any feedback from the receiver, then it's not possible for us to continue the process of communication. So it can be effective only when it is heard, interpreted and accepted. It determines the way forward. Feedback helps people to get on track. Means with proper feedback, it will help the people to get on track. It will guide them to know how others perceive their performance. Means with proper feedback, we come to know what is our performance in others' mind. So feedback is a vital part of effective learning because it is giving us the clear guidance to the students on how to improve their knowledge and performance. It can enhance a student's confidence, self-awareness and enthusiasm for learning. Means when you get a proper feedback, then what happens? We develop a kind of confidence in ourselves and we are able to learn more. So depending on the feedback, one can take the right action for the next step. Now effective feedback must have the following things: be linked to the work the student is doing and not measured against other students' progress. Include specific areas of improvement and provide next step to the students. Be delivered in accessible ways at an appropriate time so that the students are able to act upon. Be linked to the learning intention and success criteria. Take an example. We will understand the importance of feedback with the help of an example. What is the example? Just listen. See, during a clay modeling class, sometimes it happens you have a craft period. So in the same way, there was a clay modeling period. The teacher was giving feedback on the performance of the students. Rohan, one of the students, was disheartened as he could not make a model of an aeroplane even after it was demonstrated to him. So teacher was taking a clay period, or with the clay teacher was teaching what? How to make the model of aeroplane. So when she was giving the feedback on the performance of the student, रोहन वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट वो बहुत डिसहार्टेंड हो गया. वाई? क्योंकि वो एक क्ले से एरोप्लेन का मॉडल नहीं बना पाया, इवन दो इट वॉज डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटेड टू हिम 4 to 5 times. 4-5 बार सिखाने के बाद भी वो नहीं कर पाया. सो द टीचर ऑब्जर्व्ड हिम एंड फिगर्ड आउट द प्रॉब्लम. शी सेड, रोहन, you can do it. It's just that you need to do it carefully with a focused mind. I have full confidence in you. Try again. In this way, the teacher motivated the child. Result: what happened with that? With such positive feedback from the teacher, Rohan experienced a surge in his confidence. He did well this time. Everybody clapped loudly as his efforts were laudable. So feedback is important in the following ways. Now see which ways feedback is important. Basis of problem solving. When the receiver gets a message, it is up to him to agree with the sender or not. अगर receiver को message मिला है तो it is up to him whether he has to agree with the message or not. If the receiver disagrees with the sender, it can cause a problem. So in this case, the feedback can help the sender justify the response of the receiver. It enables the sender to interpret the behavior of the receiver and take the next step accordingly. Hence, it serves as the basis of problem solving. So this is important for problem solving also. What? Feedback. Effective learning. So feedback results into effective listening. It is effective listening. Feedback results into effective listening. When feedback is given, the sender becomes cautious of the message sent by him. अगर कोई भी पर्सन जो कम्युनिकेशन कर रहा हो और अगर उसको अच्छा फीडबैक मिल गया है, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? ही विल बिकम वेरी कॉशियस ऑफ द मैसेज विच इज सेंट बाय हिम. ही रीएनालाइजेस हिज मैसेज एंड को रिलेट्स विद द फीडबैक. वो बार बार अपने मैसेज को देखेगा एंड ही विल को रिलेट विद द फीडबैक, व्हाट फीडबैक ही हैज़ गॉट. So this enables him to understand if the communication has been successful. Students, this was the important feedback is important in this ways. Another way is what? Another point is it can motivate. So students need motivation to study and to perform the given task well. As you all are students, you can very well understand this point. No, you need a lot of motivation. How at home your parents always motivate you, study. If you do work hard, if you do well in exams, you will get this. Even the teachers motivate the students to perform the given task what the students have to do. So right feedback given at the right time can do wonders for them. It can show them the right path that needs to be followed to lead them towards their desired goal. Can improve performance. So good performance is what everybody strives for. Everyone know that we have to give our good performance. It can take you to new heights. For that you need to overcome your fears, shortcomings and worries. Whenever you want to overcome when you want a good performance, what happens, it will take you to a new height. और उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, you have to overcome your fears, your shortcomings, मतलब आपके अंदर क्या क्या कमियां हैं, क्या डर है, and what tensions you have. So good feedback enables you to overcome your fears and accomplish your goals with courage and determination. Tool for continued learning. Feedback plays a vital role in learning. Learning is an ongoing process. Proper feedback prevents you from getting distracted and pushes you to remain aligned to your goals. It helps you to focus on the improvement areas and learn continuously, which in turn opens a new world of opportunities. Now see students, in this way feedback is very important. It helps in these ways. Now let us see the next topic, that is descriptive feedback. Descriptive feedback includes specific information in the form of written comments or verbal conversations that help the learner understand what he needs to do in order to improve. Best example is, suppose I am giving you my explanation, or any teacher these days are teaching online. Okay, so YouTube पे टीचर अपना वीडियो अगर भेज रही है और अगर कमेंट सेक्शन टीचर का ऑफ नहीं है, सो व्हाट विल हैपन स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग अपने कमेंट टीचर के यूट्यूब वीडियो में इन द कमेंट सेक्शन यू विल पिन ओवर देयर दैट मैम very nice explanation, very good. Or if you have not understood any point, or if you are not happy with the teacher's explanation, definitely you may write, no ma'am, it is little bit boring, no ma'am, I did not get the points clear. So this is what, this is the डिस्क्रिप्टिव फीडबैक. इसका मतलब आप अपना फीडबैक जो है डिस्क्रिप्टिव वे में दे रहे हो, लेकिन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रिटन कमेंट्स, ठीक है. और वर्बल कन्वर्सेशन तो तब होता जब हम लोग आमने सामने क्लासरूम में मिलते हैं, तो आप लोग वर्बली बोल देते, नो मैम प्लीज एक्सप्लेन वंस अगेन. सो दैट इज नोन एज डिस्क्रिप्टिव फीडबैक. दैट विल हेल्प द लर्नर. सपोज जो टीचर है जो अपना वीडियो सेंड कर रही है, इट विल हेल्प देम टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ही नीड्स टू डू इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव. Getting it students? I hope all of you have understood the meaning of descriptive feedback. So according to Black, Harrison, Lee and William 2003, descriptive feedback is the most powerful tool for improving the students learning. अगर students की learning improve करनी है, so with descriptive feedback they can improve well. In other words, it enables the students to learn their current achievement along with the weaknesses which need to be improved. It includes suggestions to help them achieve their objectives. It also provides a direction for the students to identify the steps taken to fulfill their goals. However, it does not include grades, marks or coded symbols. It does not include the grade. Means you cannot give a grade that it is A plus, or you cannot give the marks or फिर coded symbols, because here you need to describe the feedback. That's why it is said that descriptive feedback. Now what are the benefits of this descriptive feedback? Just see. Descriptive feedback should be focused on how well the task has been accomplished, along with the providing suggestions to improve further. It offers the following benefits. So it provides useful information to students about their learning. fills the gap between their present level of performance and the learning goal. Means जो उनका level of performance है और उनका जो goal है, it fills the gap between them. It enables the students to self-assess and set their goals accordingly. When the student gets informative feedback about their work, they get a chance to analyze how they have performed. जब उनको पूरा प्रॉपर इन्फॉर्मेटिव फीडबैक मिलेगा अपने काम के लिए, तो क्या होगा, दे विल गेट अ चांस हाउ दे हैव परफॉर्म्ड. दे कैन एनालाइज which concepts they have understood clearly and which concepts needs improvement. They can make an outline of the areas which need improvement and proceed further with more clarity. Now, factors which are essential to giving descriptive feedback. The following points should be taken into consideration to make descriptive feedback effective. Goal oriented. Feedback should be given keeping the aim of learning in mind. Means when you give the feedback, it should be goal oriented. Feedback देते समय you have to keep in mind the aim of learning as the students work towards achieving the learning objectives, because students are towards achieving what? Learning. They want to learn new things. Many times students are unaware of the learning aim. They should know what their learning aim is and how they are going to achieve it. Actionable. When students have knowledge but do not know where to apply, they lose interest in learning. Sometimes it happens that you people have a lot of knowledge but you don't know where you need to apply that. So they lose interest in learning. Hence their experience should be put to use by giving them specific direction. So while giving the feedback, it should be seen that ऐसा feedback देना है कि their experience should be put to use by giving specific direction. Means in the feedback it should be specific that which areas they need to improve. Then next is user friendly. The feedback should be given in an easy to understand language. User friendly मतलब वो लैंग्वेज ऐसी लैंग्वेज हो जो स्टूडेंट को ईजिली समझ में आ जाए एज कम्पेयर्ड वॉट दे आर सपोज टू डू to achieve the learning aim. Otherwise, the feedback provided to them will prove to be worthless. Timely. The student should receive the feedback on time. That is, when it is still possible for them to put it to use. Means a timely basis they should be given the feedback. ऐसा नहीं है कि स्टूडेंट का परफॉर्मेंस अभी आया है और फीडबैक इज गिवन आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. Then it is of no use. The feedback needs to be given to them when they are still striving for their goal, not when they have already achieved it. I hope you have understood the meaning of this. Continuous. Feedback should be given continuously along with instructions. This enables the students to remain focused on their goal. Means continuously the students should be given the feedback. Otherwise, they will leave the interest in their goals. Consistent. The student should be given a consistent feedback. Otherwise, they will not be able to rely on it and in turn will not be able to follow it. It is the quality of the feedback that determines its effectiveness rather than its existence or absence. Feedback must be task oriented that allows the students to refine their skills, re-engage in their learning and concentrate on their goal. It must channelize their energy in the right direction so that they can self-monitor. This will enable them to proceed towards their goal with minimum supervision. Now, this is I think our last topic. Yes, specific and non-specific feedback. See, feedback can be specific and non-specific depending on the information which is conveyed through it. Specific feedback का मतलब क्या होता है? It provides detailed information about something. मतलब स्पेसिफिक का वर्ड इटसेल्फ आपको सबको पता है, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ से रिलेटेड हो. ठीक है. सो समथिंग पर्टिकुलर रिलेटिंग टू अ टास्क और द इंडिविजुअल्स परफॉर्मेंस. इट इज़ बेनिफिशियल एज इट गिव्स द रिसीवर समथिंग सब्सटैंशियल टू थिंक अबाउट एंड वर्क ऑन द एरियाज विच नीड्स इम्प्रूवमेंट. मीन्स ये रिसीवर को एक सब्सटैंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है कि विच पर्टिकुलर एरिया पे आपको इम्प्रूव करना है. उसको बोलते हैं स्पेसिफिक फीडबैक. टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. It was impressive that you started with a question to hook the listeners. I like it. जैसे हम लोग कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज़ बोलते हैं ना, so it was impressive that you started with a question so that it will hook the listeners. Note that here this tactic can be replicated while narrating the stories in future to leave a lasting impression on the listener's mind. when there we are replicating a story or while narrating the story, it will leave a lasting impression to the on the listener's mind. It provides guidelines for the future. Now non specific feedback में क्या होता है? See, non specific feedback in general gives a vague response to the receiver. It may not be ऑफ मच हेल्प. नॉन स्पेसिफिक का डेफिनेटली मतलब ये हो गया ना कि वो कोई हेल्प के लिए नहीं है. इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़ एज इट डज नॉट गाइड द रिसीवर प्रॉपरली टू अचीव द डिजायर्ड गोल. इट गिव्स द इम्प्रेशन दैट द सेंडर हैज़ नॉट गिवन अ थॉटफुल रिस्पॉन्स. एग्जाम्पल, ग्रेट जॉब. सिर्फ इतना आपने फीडबैक दिया है, ग्रेट जॉब. द इशू विद द अबाउ रिमार्क इज दैट इट इज़ नॉट स्पेसिफिक. इस ऊपर के रिमार्क से क्या होगा कि ये कोई रिमार्क स्पेसिफिक नहीं है. ये इतना भी इंडिकेट नहीं करता है कि कहाँ पर राइट हो जिसकी वजह से आपको सक्सेस मिल जाए, या फिर ये भी नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहा है कोई डिटेल हाउ टू रिपीट दिस सक्सेस स्टोरी विथ फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो दिस इज एन इनकम्प्लीट रिमार्क. नाउ नीड फॉर स्पेसिफिक फीडबैक. अब स्पेसिफिक फीडबैक की ज़रूरत क्यों है? देखो, वाई इट इज़ नीडेड बिकॉज स्पेसिफिक फीडबैक कैन बी हाईली कंस्ट्रक्टिव. इट माइट प्रूव टू बी बेनिफिशियल टू द रिसीवर. It makes the receiver aware of the specific details that need to be focused on to improve one's work and performance. It hence results in effective communication. Most people, however, do not give feedback in order to avoid a defensive reaction. ज़्यादातर लोग फीडबैक क्यों नहीं देते हैं? ताकि उनको एक डिफेंसिव रिएक्शन मिल सके. मीन्स they want to avoid the defensive reaction. उनको ऐसा कोई रिएक्शन नहीं चाहिए अपोजिशन का. So feedback is of vital importance if you wish to see the other person improve. If feedback is given with the right intention, it can bring a remarkable change in the attitude or performance of a person. Ensure that your feedback is specific so that it is accepted and appreciated by others. ऐसा feedback देना है ताकि आपका जो feedback specific हो और वो सामने वाले ने accept भी किया हो और appreciate भी किया हो. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स.